You never know. These look really calm though.
It looks like we're gonna be able to set the box right on the.
I know. That's what I'm hoping for. So
I might be able to just do this on the phone. No, this is going to be interesting. So what we're going to do...
We're going down on the other side?
Yeah, wait, okay, I know what we can do.
Otter.
I'm going to have you push up on the branch, just slightly. Push up on the branch, get stoned. There you go. Keep on doing that if you can.
Yes, I'm tall.
Okay. Hang it. Okay, guys. Hard up on this stuff. Dang it, this guy's sharp.
Sharp break, yeah.
Down?
I think it's someone here.
How am I doing the branch? Going down?
Good. They should break this right now. This is going to be great. Okay. And you can drop it, let the branch go. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do is grab that lid. I'll get the branch. You grab the lid. Okay, yeah, I got this. So I'm going to, they're going to get nuts here in a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pound hard, and if you can, just try to get that lid on there, okay? Okay.
Hold on.
Yep, I'll wait until you're ready.
Sounds like it's going to get crazy here.
Is that blocked off the front?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. I think so. What you do is just keep it here. And what I was looking for, Chim, since you got your bees out like this, you can look for mites. I haven't seen any yet on these. So you're good there. So what happens if the queen? I think we got her because that was a good. I mean,
That was 90%.
that was like 99. That was like 98%, I think. And the way to do it is block them off like this because we don't want to come out. Man, that's a lot of bees in there. So what we're watching for now is we're watching for them to come back to where the same spot was. And we got to see. You usually wait 10 minutes or so. I think we got her already the first time. And if we didn't get her, then she goes back to the same spot. And you might as well consider this your swarm tree. Have they ever swarmed in your property? Okay, this will be your swarm tree from here on out. And a lot of people.